let's check out Korean culture in Toronto, Canada. First, let's visit the Korean sauna, or the jjimjilbang. No filming in here, I guess. So after enjoying a soak in the hot tubs and the cold tubs and the sauna,
식혜 가나요?
식혜?
네.
Okay, here.
아, 고맙습니다.
I go for some shike, which is a sweet rice drink. Once inside, there are many different rooms, each with a different temperature. Some are ice cold, some are very hot, and the walls are generally made of different kinds of stone. And did I mention, the pillows are made of wood. In this room, the floor is made of salt. In this room, agates, amethyst, and other minerals. In this room, jade is embedded in the wall. The ice room is pretty self-explanatory. Come here to cool down before stepping into here at 98 degrees Celsius. 오늘은 공부하나요. But let's have some bibimbap first. Rice mixed with veggies and an egg on top. In downtown Toronto, near the intersection of Spadina and Dundas, is the Owl of Minerva. I really recommend the jjajangmyeon, which is large noodles in a black bean sauce with lots of veggies.
Have you been to Korea?
Yes. I used to live in Ilsan in Gyeonggi-do.
I'm from Seoul.
So what part of Korea is this food from?
All of place. Actually, this is very traditional food in Korea. So everybody likes this food. So
Yeah.
not even the rich person, not even the poor person. So everybody knows this food and they love this.
Yeah, it's very healthy too. Lots of vegetables. So
I go there to be a little bit nostalgic. It's cheaper than a flight ticket, and the food is pretty good. Well, I'd love to show you more of South Korean culture in my city, but that's all for now.
thank you. I'll see you again. Yeah, bye. You too.
고맙습니다, and 맛있게 먹어요. 가자.